You guys, culture, but when you don't use to something, it really looks weird to you. This is how they sell the sandwich. We're enjoying the perks of Germany. This says Royal Donuts. Look inside, you guys. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. I don't like my donuts with toppings, but this look good. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and
good night.
You guys, we're in these German streets, y'all. We're in Germany. The vacation continue. Sadly, almost come to an end, but all good things must come to an end, right? In a few days, we'll be back home. But we're in Germany, so we're gonna explore a bit of Germany today. The rain is falling. Later tonight we are off to somewhere else. We're exploring Germany a bit before we go today. So we are heading to the town to see if we can first find something to break our fast, and two, explore the little town. Yes, Ty. Did you say good morning?
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and wagwan.
All right, we'll take it. Yes, Ty.
Is that don't forget to buy a fridge sticker of German.
That is so true, and a keyring for Auntie Shade, right?
Yes.
Right. Sarah, say good morning. Good. Good. Take the passy out your mouth. Good. Morning. Say good morning.
Good
Morning.
morning.
Good girl. you guys getting a lot of good mornings and good nights. I'm sorry these days, huh?
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. I hear that one a lot. What does that one mean?
Good morning in German.
Oh, Guten Tag. Okay.
Guten Tag.
No, me go in the store and I say good morning, so they know that I'm not into the German speaking. You
Guten
know?
Tag. Dankeschön.
Anyway, you guys, we are heading to town, so enjoy the little exploring of Germany that we'll be showing you today. It's raining a little bit, like sieving, as Jamaicans would say. It's sieving. In the part of Jamaica where I'm from, that's what my grandmother would say. God bless her soul, rest in peace. It's sieving a bit outside. Does any of you guys where Jamaica you from, do they say that when the rain is drizzling just a little bit, but not big drop, it's just like flaky? Does that make sense? Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today. Hope you guys are doing well. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and if it's your first time to the fan bam, you know what to do, right?
Subscribe.
What else?
And catch up and keep up.
That's it. And give this video a thumbs up.
Yes.
And comment down below and tell us how you're enjoying this vlog. And something is important in front of me. Pretty, I should say, in front of me. The rain on the windscreen is not doing it any justice. But there you go. We are approaching center town.
Mama, look at that.
Honey, can you clean the windscreen, please?
Mama, look at that cathedral with the golden clock.
Wow.
It was like I was showing you.
Wow.
See, I told you to show them.
So the buildings here, I realize, they're not really red stone, but they're more of a, what would I call these? It's like the red stone being very dirty, but it's not really dirty.
Yeah, the red stone was little brick.
Right. This is red, but it's red, brown.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, it's different. Police. Police in German. Police.
And you know how we say police in the Netherlands?
How?
Politie.
So it's police in German, politi in
Netherlands.
Netherlands, and what is it in French?
Police.
And what is it in English?
Police.
Voila! Hey, 4 language, go on with yourself, Ty. Found a breakfast spot and we are having hot chocolates and croissants and chocolate bread, and I saw something in there that I don't know that I'm gonna try. So we are at a nice little breakfast spot. It's right here in front of me. And then you press this one. And you guys, it is so cold. Oh my gosh, it is cold. I'm so looking forward to that hot chocolate. Alright you guys, here goes breakfast. They call this, I think, patta cake. It's almonds on the top. Oh no. Come on. What's going on?
Try to sit down properly, please.
They have almonds on the top. Croissant, chocolate bread, and Sarah is killing the croissant. Now this tastes very good. This is what I wanted to taste. That is good. It does. Okay. See?
It tastes very good.
Honey, you can cut half if you want.
Yeah.
Go ahead, you have the fork. Or take this one here that is already half.
It tastes like vanilla cake.
Okay. We are in center town of this city and I'm cold. Huh? What? Look at it on top for what? What are you looking for? Okay. Everywhere in France, well, I think a lot of the countries share the same store. A Foot Locker, you have Primark. You have, what is Odo? Ah! The phone company.
I think it's British.
You have Game Shop, Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is right there. Because it was raining, we didn't take Sarah's stroller from the car. So there she is. It's on my back. Say hi, Sarah. Say hi. Hello. Hello, Sarah. The French. Yes. The pastry that we took for breakfast to try, it tastes so good, no babe?
Oh yeah, it is so
good. What's it called again?
I'll tell you the name. It's hold on.
You have it?
Butter, like butter cushion. Butter cushion.
Oh, there you have it. What now? It's lunchtime, huh?
Almost.
It's almost lunchtime and we just having breakfast. But we are gonna have late lunch.
We are in the land of sausage.
We're in the land of sausage, which means that I have to have something sausagey for lunch. Right, babe?
Well,
No?
let's see where we are for lunch.
That's true if we'll still be in the city. I see the French flag, crepe, warps and waffles.
Where's the French flag?
Look in front of you.
Oh, yes. But you know it's not a real one.
Europa Gallery. Okay then. Another Europa. Yes. The streets are not that busy though. Like you see people out, but the restaurants are not that full.
Almost lunch.
We're almost
In the middle of the week, Thursday. So yeah, but you start to see a good amount of people laughing.
yeah, but I mean, because it's center town and it's not a little city, so I was expecting to see a lot more people
Maybe on the
than what
evening
I'm seeing.
after walk, you will see a good amount of people. Like yesterday when we reached on the way, it was a lot of bar open and you see people.
There's an awful lot out right now, and it's almost lunchtime. It's like 5 minutes to 12. Well, it's lunchtime really. But yeah, this is what everywhere is looking like. French crepe and waffles. You want crepe? That's true. See, you guys, empty. Not much people. Not much at all.
Where are we going?
We're just walking. We have no idea where we're going. When we go up there, we can turn back. Wow. Say hi.
Okay, so you
Ask for something special. Do you speak English? No? Nobody? A little? Can I just purchase the sausage alone? Just the sausage? Pork? Beef.
Yeah.
Okay. One pork and one beef.
Yes.
Oh, they put it in the bread.
Weil er sie mit Soße. Mit Soße klein geschnitten. Oder so.
You guys, we just got sausages. I'll show you guys soon. No, Germany is the place of sausage. We can't be in Germany and not
I
taste
thought it was
sausage.
Toulouse.
Toulouse too is different type. Okay, each place have their specific things.
Paris.
So for France is Toulouse, huh?
Yes.
Germany is known for sausage. So I like when I go new places, I try their things, right? So because I really wanted to try the sausage, we find a sausage place, this place. They don't speak no English, they don't speak no French. The owner, I guess he's the owner, the manager, the boss, he's as grumpy as can be. We didn't have a good experience. He didn't even try to understand what we wanted to say. But hopefully the sausage tastes better than his attitude. Listen, when you travel, the biggest thing is the language. If you go somewhere and don't speak the language, it's not easy sometimes. Anyway, you guys, we are going to explore a bit more. Hey, hey. We're gonna explore a bit more and head to the car and head on the road. We have a long journey to go. There goes the German flag on the boat.
Black, red, and white.
Yes. There we go. Right there.
Black, red, yeah.
We're on the river, walking along the river. It's pretty cool around this side.
Maybe.
There's really nothing much to see.
Every 2 steps we do, there's a gelato place.
And what is gelato in English?
Ice cream.
Voila!
It's gelato in Italian.
Voila! You guys, this is the place for coffee and ice cream. Okay, this trip. Ice cream and coffee. Ice cream and coffee. That's all we're seeing right now. Wow.
Okay.
Ice cream and coffee. Let's make Sarah laugh.
And it's even better when you do that and I tickle her.
Yes. Gosh, we're enjoying the perks of Germany. This says Royal Donuts. Look inside, you guys. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. I don't like my donuts with toppings, but this look good. Baby, this can't carry. This have to eat. No. Look at them. This can't carry. This have to eat. No. Look how they're pretty. Look how they're pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow.
I want to watch.
Hello.
What you want?
Look how pretty they are.
Speak English?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, we can carry it and travel with it.
Yeah, sure.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Tella, they have different type of toppings.
Yes, but they come so
How much for one?
The balls, they cost €5.50. This one has XXL donuts.
Okay.
The cronut is a hybrid of the donut and croissant. The cool bombs are the donut with cold topping on it. We have also vegan donuts. And
Ah.
royal balls.
They have vegan.
5.50, 4.50, €4, 3.80, the rest 3.50.
Okay.
Ah, what is on the top of this one? This one. Ooh, that's the one I want. That's the one I want. I'm from Jamaica, but we live in France.
Ah, nice, nice, nice.
Babe, they have chocolate on the top. Look. Stella. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so excited. What's on the top of this one? Cookie. Ooh. These one are soft muffins.
This one, yes.
This one is soft muffin. So it's like the donut that you like.
And this one.
Oh my gosh. This is heaven. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this. Look at that. You have to take one for Sarah.
Which one? A simple one.
A simple one, not one with too
The one on
much.
the bottom one.
Yes, with the strawberry and the white chocolate.
Okay.
Oh my days.
So we're gonna take one like this.
Look at this, you guys.
This
We
one?
are in donut heaven.
How many total?
Royal Donuts. You guys, if you're ever in this city, this place is a must visit. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. That's the name of the city written in the white. Down there. What's the name? Starbrooken, right. There we go. Beautiful. Open. We are going to taste this German sausaging. Oh, the bread is not soft bread. I mean, it's not. You can hear when I tap it.
Oh, you expecting to be like brioche? Like hot
Yeah.
dog bread?
All right, something that fascinates me. I know it's the culture. This car gonna pass. Oh la la. Tella, pull up your door. Can you reach it? Just pull it up. Don't close it. You guys, culture, but when you don't used to something, it looks weird to you. This is how they sell the sandwich. The sausage is this long and the bread is this small. No, you would think that like a hot dog. Like a hot dog where they would give you ketchup or cheese or something, or the bread would be the size of the sausage. I think she said this one is chicken and this one is pork, I think, but this one goes with sauce and this one doesn't. Inside the bread is nothing at all. just the bread, and they just put the sausage in it, and people walk on the street and eat it like it's just a napkin, no bags, no nothing.
I like it.
I love it.
Let me taste it.
So we're gonna taste it, but
Mama, you taste it.
since I have 2 bread, I'm going to break the sausage
Mama.
and put half in another. Hold on.
No, Papa.
Oh.
Mama is going to taste first. Mama.
Why?
And we have a fork. This one was pork, right? The other
Yeah.
one was pork.
Mama.
Hmm?
You taste first because it's you buy it. It's good.
Yeah, just sausage. You have sausage. Alright, so Tala, me and you're gonna share the sandwich. I want to taste the sausage itself. It don't taste anyway different like
It tastes like
sausage.
no, it tastes
Wait,
like
honey, I want you to taste this before you dive in.
it tastes like barbecue sausage.
This one smells really good.
Let me taste it.
Sure, come in right now. It's good. Come. Oh, B. Oh, get out.
Open the doors.
You're gonna come back.
Come time.
Ah,
My turn. You guys will feed Sarah already.
The sauce give him something extra because this is a little bit dry.
Alright.
So should put some sauce.
Alright, this one, the outer part of the sausage is tough. It's dry. It's very dry.
Give me some sauce in it.
It's not like.
No.
You sure? Just a little? Open the bread.
It's not gonna meet.
It's not like a sausage texture that you expect. That's okay.
Yeah, I don't want
It's dry, you know, like a dry sausage in sauce. That's the vibe it's giving.
Mama,
Yes, Tai.
I like the one without sauce more than.
Okay, so you only want that one?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm gonna give you half of the bread with it on it, okay?
Okay.
So I'm not gonna eat any of this, I'm gonna leave it for you. You want it like that? So
Yes.
there you go, you have a sandwich.
More a hot dog. The bread is tough.
I prefer, that's okay. It's that baguette. I prefer the chicken sausage.
No, it's beef.
That one.
Pork or beef?
This is beef or pork. I don't remember what you said. But
Pork
it's
is the
dry.
white one.
Okay, so it's the pork that I prefer. And what is this one?
Beef.
Beef. Okay, so it's pork and beef. And if it's them is chicken. So the beef is more dry. Whereas the pork is more like a normal sausage that you expect.
Where is that?
I told you it was in the bag from a long time.
Oh.
You probably order it at a McDonald's or something.
Or maybe at the restaurant of yesterday.
No.
Mm-mm. But it's okay. Sauce is a lot, so I don't want so much. So I use half of the bread mix sandwich for me and half to make for Sarah. And give baby the other one. Tyler, Sarah already ate. So I want to sleep now.
Oh, yes, I see her. She's tired.
Mm-hmm.
And we have goûter.
Red.
And we have dessert, y'all. Mm-mm-mm.
Oh,
Dessert is lit.
Yes, we have dessert.
No goûter?
The camera is not on you. Okay. Okay. It's ready. The kids at the playground. It's so cool that where we stop have a playground. And Sarah and Tyler is in heaven, especially Sarah. Look at her, you guys. Look at her climbing. Look at her, look at her, look at her, look at her. Look at her. She's gone.
Daddy too. Come on, mom.
Look at babe. You guys, where we stopped have chairs and benches. And it's a pretty cool stop for highway.
I'm just
Oh! Oh my gosh! You guys look at these birds. You want food? Come, here. Come.
Don't do that.
Why not? They come and eat it. Come. 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 Up. There are birds here. You guys were enjoying the donuts that we bought. And Kimberly gave me this mango 2 days ago. And I'm eating it before it spoils on me. And before I eat my donut. While we watch the kids play.
It's good.
The mango? So good.
You don't really have yellow mango like this in France.
No, what's that? I think the birds realize that there's food around. You finished?
Or maybe the
Mango.
one.
Mango. You want your donut?
Oh yes, my donut.
Mango.
That's
Come
mine.
around to Papa.
Ma,
Not at all.
ma,
Mango. Come for mango.
where's my donut?
Honey, what's this, Tyler?
Identify my donut.
Madame, tiens, c'est celui-là.
Oui, je sais. What, papa?
And be very careful.
Non. Là, je crois. Mama, open the box.
How is the donut, Tyler?
Good.
It's good. Well,
So good.
it's so good that babe can't sit one place.
You want yes, I just want a piece of it.
Why you want piece of my cake?
No, this.
Sarah, donut. Donut, come. Come for donut. Slide, wee, and come. Here smell like a horse stable though. There is horse something somewhere.
Or Odell's horse caca.
There's... Come! Honey, come here. You guys are eat off the topping of mine. It was cheesecake, strawberry and raspberry.
Ooh, good thing it's on the cake.
And there's white cream in the middle. Babe won't have chocolate in the middle. You have chocolate in the middle, Catella. Eat off the topping first, Ty. Eat. Hold it over the table, Ty, so it don't fall. The donut don't fall out of your hand. Drink. Give her. Feed her while she play. Eat off the topping. Eat off the strawberry.
I can
And,
put it on the table.
No, you can't put it on the table at all. Put it here, so.
Mama, I
You
can
wanna taste
taste
mine?
this. Mama, I can taste
It
this.
tastes how it tastes inside. It's like you have
Cream.
any cheesecake filling or
Mama, I
it's just
can
vanilla?
taste too. Mama, I can run my hand on this.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good. I prefer mine. My chocolate.
Me too. I prefer my chocolate.
Wow, Sarah. Tell her you didn't eat a strawberry? What's that? What's this?
Strawberry.
Strawberries. Wait. Huh? Mmm. Strawberries. Mm-hmm.
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
now I know why it's called Royal Donuts.
Why?
Because the donuts are so good.
Okay, Ty. We are en route to home. We are en route to home. However, we won't reach home for tonight. We just booked into one of our hotels, and the reason why I have been showing you guys the hotels that we stayed last night and tonight is because it's the same style hotels that I've showed you in the past. It's the same up bed, down bed, and we have Sarah bed. Same Ibis budget, €50 per night. It's perfect just for the night stay over. So we just booked in our hotel and we're at a restaurant eating dinner with the family. Sarah, say hello. Say hi. Give them kisses. Kisses. And the boys are there.
Look who we have here. With her drink, she don't look like she like it.
I really drink